How to use nang and sa correctly. Nang or ng is a preposition or a linker. It is equivalent to the English words of, the object in a sentence, and the word some. In a sentence, kumain ako ng sinigang or I ate sinigang. Another, mayroon akong larawan ng pusa or I have a picture of a cat. Lastly, kailangan ko ng 5 kopya ng papel or I need 5 copies of the paper. On the other hand, nang or nang is an adverb or conjunction. It is equivalent to the English words when, so that, and how. It is also used when the word is repeated. In a sentence, kumain ako ng mabilis or I ate quickly. Another, tawag ng tawag ang bata or the child kept calling. Lastly, nang dumating ang regalo, umalis na sila or they left when the gift arrived. We also have the word sa. It indicates direction, location, or an indirect object. It is equivalent to the English words to, at, in, and on. In a sentence, kumain ako sa Jollibee or I ate at Jollibee. Another, sa Miyerkules kami mag-uusap or we will talk on Wednesday. Lastly, binigay ko ang regalo sa bata or I gave the gift to the child. Both nang and sa can be used to tell time. However, they function differently. With nang, the time is a part of a complete clause or event, or it is describing when something happened. In a sentence, umalis kami ng madaling araw. In this sentence, madaling araw or dawn is a descriptive time or adverbial phrase. On the other hand, sa is talking about a specific time or day, or a specific point in time. It is often followed by dates, hours, etc. In a sentence, umalis kami sa madaling araw. Here, dawn or madaling araw is treated as a point in time. For the first assessment, fill in the blanks. For the last assessment, identify if it is correct or not.